Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior. I'm going to point out major talking points and features of this 420D M Sport Coupe we have here for you. Alongside being presented in the very nice Alpine White, we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Alongside that, the vehicle comes with some very nice sought after optional extras, including the glass sunroof. You should be able to see there currently in the tilt. Alongside that, it's also got BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus pack, so we get with that the M Sport Plus braking, Harman Kardon, sun protection glazing and a few other options, all of which I'll point out very shortly. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2015 plate. We've got the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps on this car. Moving down the side of the vehicle you'll see there the 19-inch 442M alloys presented in the Bi-Orbit grey. Alongside that we've got premium mixed run flat tyres all the way around, and of course the gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals, and of course that sun protection glazing. And we'll move on for our first glance at the interior, along showing you off that lovely glass sunroof. And of course having that sunroof really does let a huge amount of the natural light into this very nice black Dakota leather interior, which comes with the heated and the electric lumbar options. We have a 6-speed manual 420D for you in this case, which of course always a very nice manual gearbox. I've also got an ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement with a central folding armrest and the central storage tray. And again, having the darkened M Sport headlining, yet still having that very nice glass sunroof, as I pointed out. Onto the rear of the car, again showing you the great condition of these 19-inch alloy wheels. And situated behind there, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes once again. At the rear, we've added the high gloss rear boot spoiler and satin rear diffuser. And we'll open up the boot. If you've not yet seen in the rear of a 4 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much luggage capacity you'll be able to get in there, along with of course the genuine floor mats, very nicely presented. You also get split folding seats. Onto the other side, where again you can see there just how nicely presented this 4 Series coupe is. In the Alpine White, it does help make the standout additions of everything we've made here at Your Next Car, including of course that standout kit. Moving on into the interior, where we're going to run through a couple of features and functions in a bit more detail, including going through some features of that glass sunroof. Starting of which, I'll just quickly start the car up and get that glass sunroof all the way open to let us let much natural lighting as possible. We've also got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and again I'm going to run you through some features of that. Currently on screen is of course the navigation feature. We've also got Bluetooth audio and telephone, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs such as DAB. And running through into the multimedia section, you can see there we've got music collection, USB, AUX, and of course the pre-mentioned Bluetooth audio, keeping you covered for all matter of things. Dual climate control, and we've also got the switches for where your heated seats are as well. I did mention of course is that lovely 6-speed manual gearbox. This vehicle's covered just over 30,000 miles, so again we've got a very low mileage example for the age. Around here you'll see that we've got the cruise and speed limiter options, along with the voice and volume controls situated on that multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, however, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you guys, take care, see you soon, bye bye.